The event today was to demonstrate the capabilities that we have at the installation level to defend the installation against this threat we have seen evolve drastically in the last handful of years. With that being said, we are training to not only counter this threat, but utilize these assets to our benefit in protection of the installation here at the home front. Some of the skills reinforced during the exercise was not only target acquisition in the air, as well as target tracking on an aerial target. In the Marine Corps, we have historically trained for ground-based targeting, whether it be personnel, equipment, or assets, facilities for our ground troops. However, in this case, we are now training individuals and reinforcing that not only do you look horizontal, it's at full 540 battle space, where now you have to look into the air, look, listen, feel for things that are incurring upon the airspace.
The Marine Corps is capable of doing basic marksmanship even though there's different variables. No matter if he's using UAS, boots on the ground, it doesn't matter. The Marines have it handled.